In this video, we will see the latest releases done in the complaint management feature. Let's open the Crib app. When we scroll down in the complaint section, we can see that we have received one new complaint. Now, this is a complaint raised by Shafari that her fan is not working. You can see now there is a button of take action. So this is a new button. If you click here, you will see some new actions that have been released recently. The second one is move in progress. If we select this option, we will be able to mark the status of this complaint to in progress. Earlier, this was a new complaint. Now this has been marked as in progress. The time of this updation is also saved in the history along with the person who has updated the status. What else? There is also an option of updating priority. So you can update the priority of this complaint to urgent, high, normal or low as per your internal team communication. Please note that this priority will not be visible to the tenant. This is for your internal operations. Now, there is one more action, update expense. So you can see there is a button of add expense. Using this feature, you can now add any amount of expense related to any complaint. For example, in this particular complaint, I will have to spend some expenses on repairs and maintenance. So I can select that. There are multiple other options also available. For example, if I spend amount on electricity, gas, water, etc. But in this case, we will select repairs and maintenance. I can also select the payment mode. I have paid with the company's bank account as well as the vendor that I have paid this to. Right? You can add a new vendor using this button, or you can select an existing vendor. There are some other options also available in this. For example, who has paid the amount, which property is this related to, is tax included or not, and definitely you can upload a document and image as well as a description with this particular expense. That's it. Done. You can see this total expense has been added to this complaint. If we click here, we can see the expense details. All right. What else? So one another new thing that is available is that we can now see the ticket IDs of each of these complaints. You can see here 64960 33075. These are some unique ticket IDs assigned to each of the complaints. They get assigned automatically. You can also search any ticket ID here. For example, let me search this. You will be able to see that particular ticket. Other than that, there are some new filters also that we have introduced. For example, the service type. You can select which type of complaints you want to see. Let's say I want to see only the food type of complaint. You can see complaints on the basis of any particular assignee. That okay, I want to see complaints that are assigned to any particular person, or you can see complaints or filter complaints on the basis of their status as well, on the basis of their priority as well as on the basis of duration. So there are multiple new features that are now available in the complaint management module, and using them you can definitely make the most of this module.